English speakers, good evening. How you doing? Welcome. Today, in this video, we're going to be talking about catch and take when talking about transport. How are they different? When do we use them? And how are they similar? We're going to make it real simple in this video. Keep watching. By the way, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, thank you so much. Please drop a comment below so that I can personally thank you and welcome you. My name's David. English is not my mother tongue, but I do speak it as my first and strongest language. And I help non-natives learn the language like a native because that's how I learned English myself. If you want to know more, check out my course website, fluentlikeaboss.com. I've got some free lessons on there, and I've also got my Fluency Skills weekly training program. So make sure you check it out. Let's get into our lesson. First, let's talk about catch. Catch refers to this idea of getting on a mode of transport. All right. Now, how is it different to take? Take refers to the idea of just using transport. So the kind of image you should have in your idea, if you imagine my two fingers are like little legs and this is a little man, this is a person, and this is a mode of transport, this person is just standing on the mode of transport. They're just riding it. It doesn't talk about the process of getting on. All right, so what does that mean for the way we use these words when we're talking about transport? Let's look at some examples. So person A says, how do I get to the airport? Person B responds, you can catch the shuttle bus. Or they can say, you can take the shuttle bus. So what's person B saying here? If we use catch, what they're saying is, you can catch the shuttle bus. This is the shuttle bus. You can get on and ride the shuttle bus, right? So you can get on the shuttle bus. Remember, we said that catch includes this idea of getting on a mode of transport. But what if they say take? Well, what they're talking about is this idea of just riding the shuttle bus from their current location to the airport. So in the context of this little exchange where someone asks how they can get somewhere and you're responding with, you can catch the shuttle bus, or you can catch the train, you can catch a taxi. It doesn't really matter whether you use catch or take. You can use either of them in this sort of a context. Next, we're going to look at how catch and take cannot be used interchangeably. So after person B says you can take the shuttle bus or you can catch the shuttle bus, person A's next question would probably be, where can I catch the shuttle bus? And that's different to saying, where can I take the shuttle bus? If we say, where can I catch the shuttle bus? Well, it makes sense. Person A wants to take the shuttle bus and they want to know where they can get on the bus. Okay, where do they board the bus from? Where can I catch the shuttle bus? We wouldn't say, where can I take the shuttle bus? That's kind of odd because person A has already made it clear that they want to go to the airport, and person B has also made it clear that they can take the shuttle bus to the airport. And even if we were using take, it would, strictly speaking, be more grammatically correct if they said, where can I take the shuttle bus to? But if they do want to use the word take to ask about getting on the shuttle bus, what they should say is, where can I take the shuttle bus from? Outside of the context of this conversation, so ignore everything that took place before. You can also say, where can I take the shuttle bus to? Because remember, take means this idea of riding. So where can I take it from? The word from shows that we're talking about where we start our journey. And if we say, where can I take the bus to? We're talking about where we end our journey. Next, I want you to practice using these two words in the comments below. So tell me in the comments, what's the best way to get from where you are right now to your favorite restaurant? And also tell me, what would you recommend on their menu? Please share if you found this video useful, because chances are somebody else might find it useful too. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'm cheering for you, and I'll catch you in the next video.